Success isn't always about doing what everyone else does. Sometimes it's about doing things that seem weird, unconventional, even downright odd. But guess what? They work. Let's get weird. Carry a rubber band. Yep, you heard me right. Snap it on your wrist every time those negative thoughts creep in. It's like giving your mindset a wake-up call. Don't let negativity take over. Now, this one's powerful. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Start your day by looking yourself in the eye and giving yourself that pep talk you need. Tell yourself you've got this. Reinforce your belief, your confidence. You'll be amazed at how it changes the way you show up in the world. Eat the frog. What's the frog? It's that one task you dread the most. Knock it out first thing in the morning, and the rest of your day is a breeze. Procrastination? Not today. So this may not be your thing, but wear the same outfit every day. You know how successful people like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg kept it simple? It's not just a fashion statement. It's about saving that mental energy for decisions that actually matter. Want a small win every day? Make your bed every morning. It sets the tone. You've already accomplished something the minute you wake up. That's momentum. Hey, and this actually works. Fact check me. Okay, here's a fun one. Dance before a big meeting. Seriously, just dance it out. Shake off those nerves, get that energy flowing. You'll walk into that meeting feeling unstoppable. Let's talk goals. Set absurdly small goals. Don't try to conquer the world in one day. Break it down, tiny steps, build momentum, watch how those small wins stack up. Now, this one's genius. Schedule worry time. Yep, give yourself 15 minutes a day to stress, worry, freak out, then you gotta let it go. Don't let anxiety steal your entire day. So this is not as weird, but it's just because you're doing it more often. Write down your wins every single day. Big, small, doesn't matter. Celebrate your progress. It builds you up, reminds you of just how far you've come. The 5-second rule. It's simple. Count down from 5, then go. Don't give yourself time to hesitate. Just do it. When you're grinding, like really working hard, chew gum. It sounds silly, but it can help you focus, reduce stress, and keep you locked in on that task at hand. Here's one. It's only weird because you don't do it right now, but talk less, listen more. It's a game changer. You'd be amazed at what you can learn just by shutting up and really hearing what others have to say. Silence can be golden. Work in 90-minute blocks. Follow your body's natural rhythm. Push hard for 90 minutes, then take a break. It's how you keep that energy up without burning out. This one's all about creativity. Stare at the ceiling for 5 minutes a day. Yep, just sit back, let your mind wander. Sometimes the best ideas come when you let your brain relax. This one may seem a little weird, but it's been gaining popularity year over year. Send yourself a future email. Write to your future self about where you want to be, what you want to achieve. Open it in a year and see how far you've come. It's like a time capsule for your dreams. Here's one. It's weird because it tricks your brain into seeing just how successful you are from day to day. Keep a done list, not just a to-do list. Track what you've already knocked out. It reminds you that you're making progress, even on those days when it feels like you're standing still. Create a personal mission statement. Know your purpose, define your values. This isn't just some cheesy exercise. It's your compass guiding every decision, every move you make. Not so weird after all. Now this one's a little quirky, but you definitely should do it. Buy a weird book. Pick up something totally out of your usual reading list. Expand your mind. You never know what kind of inspiration it might spark. Ever feel stuck? Pretend you're in your own movie. Act like you're the star of your own film. How would the hero in your story handle this? Make bolder, more confident choices. You're the lead, own it. Sit in a different chair. Literally, change your seat. It sounds odd, but sometimes all you need is a fresh perspective. A new angle to see the solutions you've been missing. There you have it, 20 weird yet powerful pieces of life advice that can set you on a path to success. They might seem strange, but sometimes that's exactly what it takes to break through to the next level. For more videos like this one, click on the pop-up video on your screen. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video where we live, learn, and create.